She's back and she's better. She wants you back as ever. What's going on, guys? It's Tuesday. I figured today would be a good day for me to do a hair mask and show you guys how I do mine. I used to do them really often a few years ago, and my hair was a lot healthier than it is now. My hair is still pretty healthy, but I have been dyeing it a lot recently, and I have not done a hair mask in a long time. So we're gonna do one together today.
Now, these are the ingredients that I'll be using for this hair mask today. I'll be sure to link down everything I use down below. And I don't measure anything. Everything that I use in here is by sight or until my ancestors tell me that that is enough. Here, I just got a little piece of avocado. Oh, it looks so yummy. I just could eat it right now. Our egg. Next, we're adding in our little banana. Next up is some good old aloe vera. You could tell I was very generous with this. I wasn't really sure how much I put in here, but I wanted to make sure that I put enough. So until you feel like you put enough, girl, just stop. And if you can use fresh aloe vera, that'll honestly be better. Here, I'm putting about 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And for our honey, I want to say I put about 1 tablespoon. I didn't want to put too much so my hair wouldn't get sticky. And last but certainly not least, some avocado oil. I want to say I put about a tablespoon of this as well, maybe a little bit more. Now we're going to blend it all up until it's nice and smooth. Here, I'm just transferring it over into a stainless steel pot so it's easier for me to grab and to put into my hair.
All right, so I have our little hair mask in here in this little container, and it did make a little bit over 8 ounces, so that should be enough for my whole entire head. My hair is not as thick as it used to be, so I think it'll be okay. I'm just gonna put this in, through my hair. I'm gonna section my hair to make it easier, to make sure I'm getting like in as many strands as possible and really work it in the roots, because that's obviously where you want to focus the product, because that's where your hair grows. But we are trying to repair our whole entire head as well. So the first thing I'm going to start by doing is just untangling my hair, just to make sure there's no knots in it. And this is clean hair. I washed it yesterday. You do not want to do a hair mask on dirty hair, because then you're just going to be piling up the good stuff on top of the dirty stuff, or the stuff that's blocking your scalp, and you're not really going to do anything. So make sure you wash your hair first before doing the hair mask. I am also going to be putting on some gloves, because I cannot stand when things get in between my nails or in my designs. So we're going to do that, and also keeps my hands from getting messy. And yeah, this is what we're working with. I made a little bit over 8 ounces after we blended everything, and I'm just going to be sectioning up my hair in pieces and making sure that I'm working it in as much as I can, especially in the scalp, and coating as much of my hair as possible. Alright, we got this section done. I'm going to New York Fashion Week for the first time next month, and I'm so freaking excited. Big things are coming. I've been working hard, been trying to stay motivated. I've been slacking a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm getting back in my grind, trying to re-motivate myself. I need to stop depending on other things to motivate me and find the motivation within myself. And that's all you can do. It's just take it one day at a time. So I just have a little bit left, and I'm just gonna take the last bit I have and really like massage it in my scalp, and then put it through my hair. And then we're just gonna let this hair sit. Normally I let it sit for about an hour minimum, but honestly I feel like the longer the better. I'm not really going anywhere until I have to pick up my kids, which is probably like 4 hours or so. I'll probably wash my hair before I go pick them up. So I'm gonna deal with it while they're home. In the meantime, I'm probably gonna just go run some errands, or not run some errands, do some chores around the house while this sits in my hair, read a book, chill, relax. The girls are in school right now, so it's an easy day for me. So our hair is washed, as you can see. I washed out the hair mask, and now I'm going to detangle my hair. And I honestly, my normal routine with my hair is just let it air dry. I don't really add heat like that to my hair. I try to add as little as possible. Less heat is key to healthy hair. It just is what it is. I'm just gonna untangle it. And I don't think I'm gonna put any hair product in it because I'm scared to like over moisturize it and like it start getting greasy like really fast on me. So depending how my hair is looking after I untangle it, I may or may not add product, but I most likely will not. Okay, so hair is detangled, and I'm not gonna put any product in it. I'm just gonna let it air dry like I usually do. And that's how it looks fresh after.